everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another motivational cleaner video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to do a freshen up Monday because it's been the weekend, and let's face it, the house has been tipped upside down by my children. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle that in today's video. So quickly before I get into the cleaning video, I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Trustler really quick before we get into this video. So I went ahead and picked up a Vendella spin mop. I used to have one of these before, but at the time my dog was only a puppy and he chewed the whole handle and the outer part of the mop bucket, so I went ahead and threw that away. I've been wanting another one, so I went ahead and picked one up today, and I actually found this one on offer. They're normally £25 to £28, but I went into Asda Live-In and this was actually on offer for £18, so I went ahead and picked that up, and I was really happy because that is a bargain for this mop. And I also went ahead and picked this up as well. So this was on offer online, and that's what I was originally going into Asda for. It's down to £12 from £24, and it's a really good quality one as well. I've had probably around 3 of these, and every one of them have broken. They've just not been sturdy enough or strong enough. This one looks really good, so I'm hoping this one will hold up. But yeah, as I said, £12 if you're looking for one at a really good price. I would definitely head to Asda for that. And then I also picked up these two. So this is just an all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and use that to mop my floors. And if you've been here for a while, you'll know that this is my favourite multi-purpose cleaner. It's in wild rhubarb, and honestly, this is such a strong smell, and it makes the whole house smell. It's my favourite. I use it on absolutely everything. So I'm going to start by doing the dishes first. I feel like if you do them first and get them out of the way, the kitchen already feels so much cleaner. So I'm going to start with them, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of the kitchen.
In the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 yeah, dance, yeah, baby. Dance, 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 yeah, dance, yeah, baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So I thought I'd share this little story with you. So at this point in the video, I actually had to stop because I realised that my dogs were being really quiet, and I had the back door open, and I looked outside and my side gate was open. My 2 French bulldogs had escaped, and I was running down the street trying to chase 2 French bulldogs and in the pouring rain. So if you're wondering why my hair is literally soaking wet in this video, and I'm also soaking wet in this video, that's because I've been running down the street trying to chase 2 French bulldogs that escaped from my garden.
How I tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool.
Does anybody else also smell cleaning products before they go to use them? Like if you can't smell them in the shop. And this was a new one. Obviously, if I know what it smells like, I'm not going to just go and smell it. But I couldn't smell this in the shop, so I wanted to know what it smelled like. And yeah, does anybody else do that before they use the cleaning products? Or am I like the only one that does that?
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are.
So I also thought I would show you guys what we're going to have for food tonight. So I'm going to do sausage casserole. So I thought I would show you how I make this. This is a really, really easy, simple, like slow cooker meal. And it's really cheap as well. So I just got a bag of sausages, a bag of casserole veg. So it's already pre-mixed and diced for you. I got the sauce seasoning packet as well. So you just mix that with 300 mils of water and tip that in. I did also add more water than this because I put more veg and sausage in than what the recipe called for. So I just put more water in with that, and then I mixed my own herbs and spices in. It is totally up to you what you use. But I used a few different things like garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, mixed herbs and salt. And then I'm just going to go ahead and mix that through, and then I put this on for 4 hours on high, and I just do some mash to go with it as well then. So that was a really nice, quick, easy meal, which I will put on, and it'll be ready by the time the children come home from school then. So now we're going to move on to the living room. As you can see, this is literally just the morning as well. The kids get up around 6:30. They've literally got an hour and a half to destroy my living room in the mornings. And this is what they end up doing most mornings. Sometimes it's worse than this, sometimes it's not as bad. It depends what they're doing. They both wanted to play this morning. Normally they sit down and watch their iPads. So I haven't got such as big of a mess to clean in the mornings normally. But today, yeah, it was full force. So we're going to go ahead and tackle this. And yeah, just give the floors a good deep clean as well using the mop.
You make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold you, have you, everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold you, have you, everything that I desire. So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be.
Alright, so now to use my error. I cannot explain to you guys how long it took me to work out how to actually open this and set it up. It took me quite a while. Obviously, I edited that part out, but it did take me quite a while to figure it out. But we got that in the end. So we're going to go ahead and put the clothes on here. And then that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.